What's up, guys? Today in this video I will be beating Among Us as a slime, as a slime dude actually. And if I win, y'all have to like and subscribe. At least one round if I win. You know what you gotta do. But for some reason I always get voted out. For no reason I get voted out. It's all okay, because I just got imposter right here. I knew it. I already knew it. I got Phantom. It's game over. It's game over. 1%. Oh, double kill. Wait. Ooh, you should have did a double kill right there. That is crazy. Oh my god. Wait, what am I like? What is going on? Can we only use this? What? No. Red. Imposter. Yeah, Mavir. Yeah, bro, yeah, Mavir is imposter. Yeah, let's vote Mavir. This is actually crazy. This is crazy. My teammate is actually crazy. See, we're already gonna win, bro. Cooked. Already knew it. Yeah. Easy. Oh my god. Oh, Gray. Do I want to kill Gray? I don't really want to kill him. I don't want to kill him. That's the thing. I have to get rid of communications. I got to. Wait, what? Really? Ella Dizzy is imposter. It's so easy. Who's Ella Dizzy? There she is. She tried to vote out Riddance. Was that gunshots or fireworks? Wait, yeah, Happy New Year! Happy New Year, Green New Year's. That's pretty cool. You like how my outline is green and I'm green? I'm the coolest kid. Bro, no. Raven, peace. You're about to get peace. Like, you're about to get pieced by everyone here. No, please, they don't realize you're imposter. It's all okay. Look, we're gonna go on do a fake task. What was that? Someone, he shapeshifted. No, this is not good. This is not good. My god. Wait a little bit. Okay, now when someone gets here. Kill him. No. My invis was about to run out. Someone could. Oh my god. That was close. Now, Pyramus is impossible. Yeah, I saw I think they meant to say mean. Supernova. Supernova, you're an imposter, bro. Is imposter. Finches, bro, I can't believe you would do that. Why did he play Pinch-It? Like, up? Supernova not even alive anymore. Supernova killed Supernova. They thought it was Supernova? But is imposter. Bro, you're a butt. Easy win. Wait, after vote her out, we win, right? Yeah, we win. Easy. Easy. I know it. Victory Royale, bro. Victory Royale. GG's. Well, everyone, I'll make a video longer. I can't do it right now, so see you later. Adios. And bye, slime.